Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have another exponential equation. 7 power x is equal to 70. As we know that many methods are used to solve an exponential equation as by substitution and by equating base on both sides. Here we will solve it by using logarithmic process. Seventy can be written as 10 into 7 dividing both sides by 7. This 7 is cancelled. 7 power x over 7 is equal to 10. Here we will use a power rule. If a power m over a power n, then we can write a power m minus n. Here 7x minus 1 is equal to 10. Now taking log on both sides, log base 10, 7 power x minus 1 is equal to 10. By using log rule, if a power m, log of a power m, then we can write as a m into log of a. Here power is x minus 1, log base 10 of 7 is equal to log base 10 of 10. Now dividing both sides by log base 10 of 7. These are cancelled. We have x minus 1 is equal to log base 10 of 10 over log base 10 of 7. We need x is equal to 1 plus, by adding 1 on both sides, log base 10 of 10 over log base 10 of 7. We know that log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7. This is the solution of above exponential equation. Now we will check it. For checking, our equation was 7 power x is equal to 70. Put x is equal to 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7. 7 power 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 is equal to 70. Now again taking log on both sides, log base 10 of 7, 1 power 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 is equal to log base 10 of 70. Apply log rule. Here power is 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 into of log base 10 of 7. Here 70 can be written as log base 10. 70 can be written as 10 into 7. 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 log base 10 of 7 is equal to, here again we will apply a log rule. If log of n into n, then we can write log of m plus log of n. On this side we will apply this rule. Log base 10 of 10 plus log base 10 of 7. Now dividing both sides by 1 over log base 10 of 7, dividing both sides by log base 10 of 7 over log base 10 of 7 is equal to log base 10 of 10 plus log base 10 of 7 over log base 10 of 7. Here these are cancelled. 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 is equal to log base 10 of 10 over log base 10 of 7 plus log base 10 of 7. Log base 10 of 7, these are cancelled. Here we know that log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 1 over log base 10 of 7 is equal to 1 over log base 10 of 7 plus 1. It can be noted that both sides are equal. 1 we can write as 1 plus 1 log base 10 of 7. Students, we can see that by checking our solution, we see that our given equation is satisfied. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.